Video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Microsoft Teams chat. This is a simple and effective way to make sure your message grabs the attention of the person you want to reach, especially in busy team environments where messages can easily get lost. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your credentials. If you're not logged in yet, you can use either the desktop app or your web browser. Enter your username and password carefully and make sure your network connection is stable so you don't face any interruptions. Once signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your workspace. This ensures that when you start tagging someone, you'll know exactly where your message will appear. Next, navigate to the chat section on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you can see all your active conversations and start a new chat if needed. When you're in the chat window, focus on the message box at the bottom where you usually type your messages. To tag someone, type the @ symbol followed by the first few letters of the person's name. Microsoft Teams will automatically suggest matching names from your organization or team. Take your time to select the correct person from the list. This might seem small, but tagging correctly ensures the right person is notified and avoids confusion in team communication. Once you've selected the person, their name will appear highlighted in your message. This visual highlight makes it easy for them to spot your message immediately. You can then continue typing the rest of your message as usual. Tagging someone is more than just highlighting their name. It sends them a notification alerting them that they've been mentioned. This is extremely helpful for time-sensitive matters or when you need a quick response. Think of it as a gentle nudge that your message is important. It's important to use tagging thoughtfully. In large group chats, avoid tagging everyone unnecessarily, as it can overwhelm team members. Instead, focus on tagging only the people who truly need to see your message. This practice maintains efficiency and keeps notifications relevant. To summarize, tagging someone in Microsoft Teams is a practical and professional way to direct your communication. From logging in, navigating to the chat using the @ symbol, and selecting the right person, it's a small action that can make a big difference in how effectively you communicate with your team. Try using tagging in your next conversation and see how it improves your workflow, keeps your messages organized, and helps you connect effortlessly with your teammates. Happy tag